flying above.
Yeah. You want?
Okay.
It's hot. It's okay.
Yeah. We are flying right above this tiny village.
You can wash your face.
But I won't watch this.
Okay.
Yeah. So, it'll be a long time to get up to the destination. It's 55 minutes straight.
No, not 55 minutes.
It is 55 minutes. That's what the time of the flight is.
Is it?
Yeah. Let's change views and see what's down below. Ah, nothing much. Just the ground.
Open this
Alright.
up.
That's how you open a table in ground class. Let's switch back to the front-facing view. Check it out. They got a lot of things that looks like the Grand Canyon, but it's the wrong country. And now the waiters putting cloths on my tray table. I don't know what they're gonna give us, but I will not be eating the entrees. Anyway, check out that sick engine. Alright, let's see what continues on below.